and welcome back to Mystic Cosplay, everyone. Today I would like to do a tutorial on how to do the Captain Hector Barbossa voice. That's right, this is a voice impression tutorial video. So, just in case if you haven't seen my last video, I would highly recommend going and checking that out first, and then coming back and see this one. So, step 1. What you're going to do is push your Adam's apple as far down as you can. So when you swallow, basically your Adam's apple moves up and down. So you're going to like push it down as far as you can, and then just say, ah. Now when you say ah, it's going to sound really deep. Ah. Basically like that. And that's kind of within the pitch range that we're going to be working with. Okay, so step 3. You want to basically clench the back of your jaw, almost like you're about to swallow. So what that means is, right about here, you're going to clench it. And then step 4, you're going to say ah again. What this does is it actually changes the pitch. So it goes from ah to something like this. Ah. So you can hear there's a pitch difference. And those two pitches is essentially the two pitches that the character uses when speaking. Step 5, we're going to form words. Take the phrase, thank you, Jack, for example. Thank you, Jack. Nay, I need the monkey, Jack. So just kind of experiment a little bit, say phrases or simple words to kind of get you started. And that kind of leads up to step 6, form sentences. Once you can get the simple words and phrases put together, then we can start to formulate sentences. So, when you first start the voice, it's going to be very scratchy, almost like a similar feeling to when you have a sore throat. But don't worry, as you practice, and over time, it will get better. It just takes a little bit of practice. For me, it took roughly around, I want to say, 8 to 9 months to fully do the voice properly. So when you put it all together, it's going to sound something kind of like this.
Firstly, bringing of a show is not a part of our negotiation, neither in our agreement, so I must do nothing. Secondly, you must be a pirate for the pirate's code to apply, and you're not. And thirdly, the code is more what you call guidelines than actual rules. Welcome aboard the Black Pearl, Miss Turner.
Well, that is pretty much all that there is to Captain Hector Barbossa's voice. If any questions or comments, please let me know below. And other than that, ciao everyone.